Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be washing my fidgets, and I never did that before. I don't have COVID anymore, don't worry, but yeah. Let's wait. Oh. Wait, hold on. Okay. First this one. It's a mochi. Okay, so I got the soap. I know it's not Christmas, but like, you know. So, the soap that I made smells so good. And I'll make a video on how to make your own soap. I don't know when though. Okay, so guys, this is a lot cleaner. I think it does. Oh my god, it's so dirty. I'm about to run in more water. Okay, I got all my water. You guys probably can't see, but I'm sorry about that. Hey guys, so there's a little bit dirt. Yeah, I'm gonna need more soap. Put it on the spot. And guys, I will post more videos like this. I'll be when I'm older, I'm gonna do ASMR videos. So if you really love my content, then you'll see me when I'm older doing these videos. ASMR eating. Okay, just look, and then you do this. You get water from your bowl or whatever you're using, your sink, and then wash it. Okay, since we're done with that one, I'm going to get my towel. Sorry, I'm on roller skates. I'm not very good, and I almost fell. When I had COVID, I was freaked out. I'll do their skin routine later, because right now I have to still clean. We're going to clean this now. I got my ear. Okay. I already cleaned this, but whatever. Doesn't matter. Who says you can't clean things twice? I am a huge mistake. Can you guys just hold on? Give me a minute. This isn't my phone. My mom's gonna kill me. Okay, guys, I am back. Oh my god, that was so skitty. But back to what I was doing. And then you wash it off. And if this ever explodes, which it won't, then, yeah, it's okay if it doesn't explode. My other friend it popped because, this thing, because someone had long nails and they did something with this. I have no idea. Okay, 2 done. I have no idea how much to go, how much more I have to do, but this will be fun. Oh my god, 4 minutes in this video already passed. What the heck? Okay, so I got my pop tube. They say never bring it on the airplane trip. You don't really need to clean this, but whatever. I'm going to use this soap now. I could find mine. Oh my god, so my eyes. Help me, burn. No, don't help me, guys. I'm okay. You rinse this thing off. Now I'm noticing I have to. Why is my water yellow? Like, excuse. No one's gonna believe me in what I'm doing. No one is gonna believe that there's water in here, because there is. Oh, if it explodes. I'm so scared. I'm gonna do this in a different thing. What am I gonna do now? Oops, oops, oops. Oh my god, I'm dropping all my fidgets. I'm gonna put this somewhere else, okay? Sorry guys if I'm being too annoying, but like, never doing that again. Taking all the pop tubes out so I don't have to do that again. I'm going on vacation on Saturday. I'll post a video. It's like 3 hours. Oh wait, you guys can wait 3 hours for me to post a video, right? Well, that's what I'm gonna do. I love filming videos with you guys. It's just the best. Yeah, I put soap in the holes. And yeah, see, everything looks different. Oh my god. In roller skates, I don't know, I just feel like I'm flying. That's how I feel. Who knows that thing on TikTok where you get crisp? Yeah. When that happened to me, I didn't know what crisp means, but then I did because I figure out things a lot. Okay guys, I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Okay, I better be quick with this. This video is so long. Oh, and there's another challenge I'll be doing. Excited. There, that's me cleaning my poppet. Where are you? Towel. If this video is 1 hour, I apologize. It's not gonna get to 1 hour though, as I promise you. On TikTok, I watch tips for 9-year-olds because like I'm 9 years old. I probably shouldn't be sharing that information, but doesn't matter. Back with the drawing rack. Oh, my cup. My rainbow poppet. You guys seen my fidget review video, right? And if you haven't, go watch it, please. And then I had to delete all my videos. That's a long story, so I'm not even gonna say it because it's not your business. Yes, I'm dead. I'm dead. Who knew this was going to be hard? You know, if you guys don't think it's hard, then well, this for me. Guys, just hold on. Putting my fidgets on the rack. Okay. Bye. I hope you have a amazing summer. I'm still gonna post. I don't think I'm not, because I'm just saying that. Yeah, I don't think that. Bye. See you in my next video. Have a lovely day.